Asked him how far he can throw a ball. If there's, hey, we've heard you can do this and that.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I think Jeff brought me a radio that's almost as old as I am. Almost. I have another radio he brought me that is as old as I am. These came out in 1948. And I couldn't tell. There's a schematic on the bottom, but it's really dark. But it seems to have either 3 or 5 tubes. Good reception. I don't have a sheet from Jeff on this radio, so I don't know anything about it except that it's a silver tone. And I remember as a kid having one in the house, belonged to my dad, of course, similar to this. Great reception, great sound on talk radio. I haven't tried it on, let me move this down before I knock it off. I haven't tried it on any music because it is AM, and at this time of day, there's not much music on AM radio or medium wave. But it does work very well. A little scratchy there.
In the second round of the playoffs, and I did some research on this, and Mayfield actually completed a 65-yard in the air.
In the National Football League.
Can't do much about the critters.
He's had some injuries the last couple of seasons.
I don't know if I have to turn it this
Green
way.
Bay Packers, but
Yeah.
we see this all the time. There's a handful of players
Yeah.
who say, I want to win a championship.
Unfortunately, the way my office is set up, the AM broadcast stations are in that direction, and you need to have the antenna perpendicular, which would make it like that.
You want to pick a destination. If you
But it's still doing a pretty good job.
that offers you the most money,
I'll go ahead and tune here.
Possible later, high of 92.
There we go.
Tomorrow night will be partly cloudy with a low of 78. On Monday, mostly cloudy conditions with a chance of
There we
thunderstorms
go.
in the afternoon. High of 94. That's your AccuWeather forecast. I'm meteorologist.
No muting while tuning. I hate that.
Sponsored by.
Oh, music, we can't play music.
At fortify.com. That's FORTIFY.com.
When it comes to your health.
As the leaders. He's done around the home, and hopefully got some great weather to get out there and
Got a little noise there.
some of the projects. My list is long.
See if I can get
don't know
rid of
about
it.
yours, but there's always something
Nope.
to do around the home. That's for sure. And in fact, yesterday we had a call. It was
the Stanley Cup
Whoa.
Finals results.
Pretty strong there.
Big Game 7 tomorrow coming up between
common that any
Yeah.
type of
Doing pretty good. It doesn't seem to make too much difference when I turn it. Okay, that's it. It's in beautiful condition. I mean, I don't see a mark on it anywhere. The lettering on the dial is a little faded, but there's no scratches or anything on it. And he did mark on the bottom. We turn it over. It says it's 1948 to 1953 vintage. New, I guess that's what the price was to get one brand new, was $15.95. Or that's what he paid for it, basically new. I don't know. Like I say, Jeff didn't include a sheet, a crib sheet for me on this particular radio. I want to thank Jeff for bringing me these radios, and I've got good news. Jeff was in that's not the good news. Jeff was in an accident a couple of months ago, and so he was without a vehicle to do his business, which is car and boat detailing. He just posted on Facebook that he now has a vehicle and he can get back to full-time work. So that's great to hear, Jeff. Again, thank you for bringing me this radio's show to my audience. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.